Ooh. Shout out to my man Sullivan on this one. Yo, I like getting bitches naked, pulling my dick out and saying take it. And if you got a vow of celibacy, you're about to break it. And even if it isn't good, bitch, you better fake it, or I'll punch you in the face and say you fell cause you were wasted. I do a lot of drugs, I'll say it modestly. Follow me, I'm possibly going on an odyssey. And honestly, you haters probably will not acknowledge me, cause I'm an oddity, I'm fucked up like the economy. Yo, you're commonly coming with that comedy. Not the faggot of the year, man, but you're a nominee. I'm a prodigy, do it properly, dropping these quality verses, cause good music's my policy. Your girl's trying to swallow me, and so I let her. But I say don't get any on my sweater, cause I'm in my uniform, Monsignor Bonner shit. Yes, I am the best, there's no reason to ponder it. All the shit you say is in the way just like a condom is. And I'm so hot, dog, they should cover me in condiments. Kick an old man and leave him in astonishment, or drink it till I pass out. To me, that's an accomplishment. Shawnee's who you're rocking with, so we're rocking out. I smoke so much I got permanent cotton mouth. Pop a couple Vicodin, you can call me Dr. House, but to me, you're just a person the world has forgotten about. So if you truly think that shit is the best, then your ass is liable to get tripped on the steps and laughed at. I'ma take your weed, roll it up and pass that. Grab your girl by your ass fat, then I'll smash that. I think it's safe to say that I'm an eighth away from being in an entirely new galaxy. These rappers trying to challenge me, coming with their fallacies. All your tracks are whack, get back to reality. Smoking weed and drinking gin out of a chalice. See, I smack so many asses, my fingers are getting callousy. My mentality is I'm a stoner and I'm proud to be. You fail to see the brilliance in my violin acts. Trying this cat, better be supplied with some gats and fire them at my head and have me lying in crap. Otherwise you'll need a team of SWAT to scheme and plot. I have good intentions, doesn't matter if I'm mean or not. I drink liquor and start walking on an ice rink. I do whatever, man, fuck what they might think. And your career's in a boat and you might sink. And I'm not talking about the color when I say I like pink. Pause. I had to laugh a bit, but honestly there's nobody who's as mad as this. Climbing my way up to the top, I'm on some ladder shit. And when it comes to rapping, these people say that I'm hazardous. Yo, I can snap and get on some tragic shit and bring you back to life like Lazarus. And then I'll punch you right in the face. Talk about evidence, there was slightly a trace. If we're talking about your girl, yo, I'm liking her place. I get her so high, she thinks that we're hiking in space. Like, bitch, what are you talking about? I'm here to get my dick sucked. What's it talking about? I ain't giving you a ride. You better walk and get out, or I'ma call the proper authorities and report a robbery. Because I hate drunk bitches who were gossipy. Drink a bottle of vodka and still think logically. They be like, damn man, how you do this constantly? Hop up on a beat and treat it like a sodomy. Yo, honestly, can you consciously name a motherfucking rapper who's as hot as me? I'll wait. Still waiting. I get too hot for this shit, fellas.